you're missing out on the best opportunity that you can save money. You can build your online presence in no time because Builderall is so easy. Builderall is the best, easiest program that you can ever use online, building things online. Do you get tired of not knowing what to do and everything seems so overwhelming to you? Listen, man, this is something normal to the online business, to any online business, especially if you're a newbie and you are trying to connect the dots. This is something very important for you to realize that it's gonna be hard, but it doesn't have to be impossible. Okay, do you see the difference? So make sure you check that link down below because it's going to provide you with all the tools that you need in one platform, in one place, so you don't have to get confused and even spend too much money because you don't know about that tool. This tool is just one platform that provides you all the tools inside. You know what I mean? Like creating websites, phone apps, and everything else that you need in order to expand, succeed, or even begin your business without getting confused, you know? And the support is provided all the way.